subject of this debriefing. British Operational Officer, Lorraine Broughton.
Before we begin, sir, may I formally request that Mr. Kurtzfeld be removed?
I could stand behind the mirror with everybody else.
Asshole.
What did you say?
I didn't say anything.
I thought you said something.
What did she say?
Well, do you want to play the tape back?
I know she doesn't play by our rules. But she's our best intelligence expert. There's a double agent operating in Berlin. If we don't find him before the wall falls, we could be facing World War III. Remember, trust no one. Your contact is David Percival.
Welcome to Berlin. I'm David. Don't shoot. I've got your shoe.
The clock is ticking.
I'm the only man in this town that can help you.
I trust you about as far as I can throw you. You sent me into a hornet's nest. Well, then you knew that, didn't you?
You have no idea who you're dealing with. Take the shot.
This was never part of the plan.
It was part of mine. What do you know about this woman who's been following me?
You're an attractive woman. Do the math.
So you made contact with the French operative?
Obviously.
Good evening, Agent Broughton.
I chose this life, and someday it's going to get me killed. But not today.